How are you all doing? I hope you're keeping well out there. So, you'll notice we're in a bit of a strange place. Oh, we're going to have a look at this JVC set in a minute. However, this is one of the reasons why I haven't had all that much time lately for making videos and stuff. Because I have alluded to in the live streams that I needed a bit more space. And I've got it in the shape of a 10 foot by 24 foot cabin, party cabin. You would say as offices on building sites and so forth, or in Ireland, school classrooms. As you can see, it's a little bit rough. We've only just started working on it in earnest. It's divided into two rooms. This will be the workshop, our back room, which is I suppose about 16 feet by 10 obviously. And then the front room, which is also a bit rough, will be the entrance and stuff on display and stuff like that. So this is going to give us a bit more scope. Now we're still going to have the old workshop as well, so we'll be working out of that for quite a while to come, and we probably will continue working in there. But this gives me a little bit more scope. There's more space in here for working on the larger sets and that. My workshop was just too small for working on the bigger sets, and there's a couple of interesting ones which I need to crack on with. So this is going to give me a lot of scope. Anyway, so that's one of the reasons why I've been a bit busy lately and not been making YouTube videos. That and family life. JVC set. Now I don't do modern sets on this channel, as you know, as a rule, but I was asked to have a look at this and I didn't want to refuse. The owner of this set is a friend of mine. However, I think I know what's going on already, and I have a feeling it's the backlights. I think this set also got a delta lighting at some stage. Anyway, a replacement television has been purchased. I think what we'll do first is we will plug in. Now there's a socket here somewhere. As you see, I'm not really geared up in here. Just wanted to show you the workshop as it's going to be, and also I needed a bit of space to do this, so instead of bringing it in, bring it in here. Needless to say, there's going to be a lot of work that needs to be done here before I start working properly. What this set is doing. Backlights are down because I think it comes out of standby. Plugged it in one night in the house, and I thought I could see images on the screen. Where is Michael Glanfield when you want him? I plugged this in when I got it a couple of weeks ago in the kitchen, and I could just sort of, you know, when the backlights are gone you can still make out images. But we'll whip the back off after we plug it out. Have a squint. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to getting this place up and running. Let's go. Make life a lot easier. The cabin, I should say, was a donation from my brother-in-law. He's in the building trade, and he was being disposed of off the building. It's not this year's model, and it's not last year's model either. It's actually, there's a little plate on the side of it, and it says, I think it's March 1986. So, maybe a bit older than me. But I think it's dry. And that's all it should last. We should get a couple of years out of these. And we never know brother-in-law might get an even better one at some stage, which will be that good. But yeah, it's great to have a bit of extra space. I won't be bumping my head off the door in the current place. Now, funny enough, if this isn't actually floor square area, it's not much bigger than the place I have now because it's a 10 foot by 20 foot shed. But the problem is the height of the walls, which is only 40 foot. Apexing for around 7. You tend to bang your head off the door frame sometimes going in, and the door frame is a little bit low as well. I think it's about 40 foot. And other people come to visit me, there's definitely bang their head because they don't know. There's always one screw, isn't there? You always miss one screw. Now I do apologise, it's probably quite echoey in here at the minute because there's so little stuff in here. Aha! Let's see if you can see how obvious. There's so little in these sets now, I'm not really up to speed with them anymore. I sort of lost interest now, to be honest. 2 little speakers, we stereo. Oh, it's Vestel. Oh, yes. Mr. Dranfield, I'm sure, will be very familiar with this. We've no bulged caps, so I know that's a good sign. There's the supply there to our backlights. But it doesn't light up, so the only thing I'm going to do, I think it is the backlights that are cutting out. I'm going to check to see if the supply is there for the backlights when we switch it on. And if it is, we know that it's the backlights then themselves that have failed, and we won't be getting into that. Oops, dropped the meter. I wonder how old this set is. I think that was done by 2. I can hear the I can hear the power supply buzzing away there. Let's see. Not ground. Can we get in with that? Manufactured week 29, 2018. So that makes it. What does that make it? Heading for 7 years old. 6.5 years old, and it's had its time. Amazing, isn't it? I don't even know if I'm getting in on that. I'll have to take that off. Oh, 1 volt? That's not going to be enough, is it? Are we sure where it was standby though? Let's push the little funny button again. I think it knows there's no backlights. Yeah, so it's the backlights alright. If I take it out of standby, and we have 2 volts or whatever. That's just what's left in the reservoir cap for that. We switch on, so it shoots up 27, and then it realises straight away there's no load, and it kills the supply. So the backlights are gone. So that's the end of that set. As far as I'm concerned, I don't get into backlights these days. Last time I split one of these open, I spent several hours and I ended up with a cracked screen. So that's the end of that. Anyway, never mind that. I hope you enjoyed your little tour of what is to be a new workshop, and we'll catch you again in the next one. Hopefully it'll be a Bosch TV 63. Thank you and take care.